What's up, guys? Welcome to another Sawdust Diaries. First of all, let me apologize for my white trash shirt here, but it's really hot. So today, we are going to introduce you to our new shirt lady. So, let's go in her office and see what's going on. Say hi, Mom.
Hey, guys.
So, our shirt guy is not doing shirts anymore.
No.
Let me turn off this AC.
Okay. Yeah, no, he has other things going and other commitments, so I'm taking over this shirt business myself. So, you know,
Lift your hat.
lift my hat. Sorry, my hair is a mess. I'll take it off.
That's all right, mine too.
So we gave away a couple of tank tops that I've been practicing on that we got, and I printed them and I washed them, I don't know, 10 times just to make sure that they stayed. And this is one of them. This is one of the tank tops that I made with our logo on it. Now we're having our meetup. Oh, here's another one. We're having our meetup in October. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to do something different and do t-shirts that will be available if anybody wants them for, like, I don't know, 10 bucks. So anyway, I made we took a picture, I made it a cartoon, and I'm going to print that on a t-shirt. So I'm going to show you how we do it. So here I have in my printer, it's TDF transfer film. It means direct to fabric. And then you just print it. And I have my sublimation printer there. Make sure I got the right one. Yep. And print it. And you just print it regular. You don't have to do any fancy schmancy printing. It takes a minute for it to get over there. And then I put it after I print that out, because I'm printing on cotton and not polyester, I have to put transfer powder on it so that it becomes vibrant and nice and bright instead of dull and icky. Learned by mistakes.
How many have you made?
I don't know. I've made t-shirts, I've made pillowcases, I've made hand towels. Probably, I don't know, 30 or 40. I don't know. So here we have the actual print. And then, again, I have to coat it with this transfer powder so that it transfers nice and bright. And you just brush that on there like that. Okay, my printer's still talking. Oops.
Now, is the stuff on the paper there, is it wet, like when you do an inkjet transfer?
Yeah, it's like when you do a transfer. And then I've learned this the hard way. There are stripes, and I don't know if you can see where the transfer powder has attached to where the rollers go over the print. So you have to kind of brush that off. Otherwise, you get lines. All right. So there we go. Well, let me do this. I don't like the way that's still on there. All right. So now I can transfer it on there. And what I do is I press my t-shirt. I've got to get a little bit more on there. I press my t-shirt and then I fold it in half so that I have a crease down the middle so I know where my center is. And then we just take this and center it on there. Close this up for.
Come on. There you go. There you go.
60 seconds. And then we should have a t-shirt, Lord willing, fingers crossed, that we can use.
How many did it take you to where you made nice shirts that weren't like
Probably, I don't know. Honestly, it probably took me 20. But what Amy and I did is we went down to the Goodwill. We bought a bunch of dollar t-shirts to practice on. Fronts, backs, we did them all. Made all the mistakes. Well, probably. I'm sure there's more. Yeah, we just practiced on Goodwill t-shirts. And then I went to, what's the name of that website? blankapparel.com, and buy t-shirts. You can get them inexpensive there. So I've got all different kinds and shapes and sizes. And
we have Stephanie Littleton doing our hats now, right?
Stephanie's doing patches that are now on the hats. Yeah, so I need to show those. We need to show those on a
Do we have them now?
Yeah,
I still haven't even seen them.
All right, here we go. Fingers crossed. Oh. Ta-da! So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. So we'll let it cool for just a second.
What's a good sign?
That it's bright like that and not dull.
Oh, okay.
Ta-da!
Ah.
So now we have a t-shirt.
Tilt
So
it
I
back
don't
a
know.
little. Yeah, there we go.
Trying to get some light on it.
Amy hates her
Amy
picture
doesn't like
taken.
it, but you know what? I think they look awesome.
That's right.
So here we go. Let's put it up here. Maybe you can get a good shot of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks
I think
good.
they're awesome. I think they're different, so I'm excited about them. So yeah, so that's it. So I am now doing t-shirts. Anybody's interested, let me know. And it's fun. Oh, I did Carmen's.
Oh yeah, that's
t-shirts.
right. All hers.
So yeah, all hers.
And all the t-shirts on the website now are made by you, right?
They will all be made by me. Yeah. So and colors are so iffy, and it's what's available, what I can get a hold of. So, but anyway, yeah. If you have any questions, give me a call or email me, Vicki@makeawoodsign.com. Thanks for listening to me ramble. And if you guys need anything, let me know. I'd be happy to make you some shirts. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.